Okay, Mike's gonna throw up. Here we go. Go ahead and mix it. Let's see it. Now this is a chicken sandwich, chicken burger
With veggies.
with I don't know, everything in it.
From the winking lizard.
Oh.
It's not on right.
Mike, help her. How do you do the lid, Mike?
He said he was just changing it.
Yeah. Is it plugged in?
Plug in, Ron.
All right, here we go.
Power. Power.
I don't want to eat
Power.
No, Michael, there was something with it,
No,
Robin. You had to have
it's-
it the right way or something, remember?
The arrows are.
It was a very anticlimactic video.
Wasn't like that.
What is it? A high-tech blender.
There you go. Okay, you ready?
Here we go. It's not mixing.
Did you not put the blade in?
Yeah.
There's no blade.
Grandma!
How's it gonna cut if you don't put a blade in, Mom?
Bobby.
I'm glad I got that on video. This is gonna go viral, right? Million views.
I'm glad I'm not in it.
Now I have to take it
Yes.
out.
Yep.
Yeah, that's not good.
Oh no, Mike's gonna like to watch that.
Well, Michael was really enjoying it.
Oh my gosh.